Why am I not happy even after having a job, family, good health, house, car, everything I once wanted? Have you ever felt this way? I did. Not once, but all the time. Today, I want to share with you the myths about happiness that were keeping me unhappy, that keep most people unhappy, and 9 ways to find happiness in everyday life. Have you noticed how we are constantly chasing the next thing to be happy? Even our society feeds us the same misconception. We are told, study well in your 10th, then you can have fun. Do well in your 12th, then you can chill. Complete education, get a job, then life will be awesome. Once you get a job, get married, you'll be really happy. Even we believe it. When I get that promotion, dream house, car, I'll be happy. You see how happiness is slipping away from your reach? When I understood this myth, my relationship with happiness changed completely. Today, I want to share with you 9 ways to find happiness, not in the future, but in everyday life. So, let's start. First, find meaning in your work. We spend at least 8 to 10 hours of our day at work. So, if you don't enjoy your work or if you don't find it purposeful, it's hard to be happy. A study published in the Journal of Happiness Studies said when participants in a study felt a greater sense of purpose, they tended to feel more positive emotions, specifically contentment, relaxation, enthusiasm, and joy. And they felt less angry, anxious, sluggish, or sad. They also reported greater satisfaction with life and overall well being. If you don't enjoy your work now, try to get a job that's meaningful to you. Even if you can't change the job now, try to find a side hustle or passion project that you feel connected to. Maybe it's some form of art or teaching the neighbor kids or charity work. A purposeful work helps you focus, keeps you engaged and enthusiastic, and makes you happy. Second, find little things to look forward to. There is this beautiful quote by Dan Millman: life is a series of moments. The quality of attention and action that we bring to each moment determines the quality of our lives. How true, right? Every day, we have so many moments. Most of them are repeated, like the same work, same cooking, eating, so the days become monotonous. We need to actively find little things to look forward to. It might be the silent morning walks, beauty of the sunset, eating your favorite dish, any small moment. Find it actively. Third, savor these little moments. This is like a continued part of the previous point. In the course Science of Well-Being by Yale University, taught by psychologist Dr. Laurie Santos, there is this concept of savoring which I found very helpful. Savor enjoyable moments. You can do this in 5 simple steps. Take any moment of your day that's your favorite. For example, sipping that coffee in the morning, cool breeze on your face when you're traveling to work, chit chat with your family at the end of the day, anything. Be fully present in the moment. Engage yourself in the moment with your 5 senses. Be fully there without getting distracted. Think how lucky you are to have this family, cool air, and coffee. Share this with someone, with your partner, or you can do it as a group exercise with your kids or friends. And finally, write down at the end of the day. Write what did you savor, how did you savor it, and how did you feel. You will see your days don't feel so monotonous anymore. 4. Train your mind to be in the present moment. The major reason we are not happy is that we are most of the time thinking either about the past or worrying about the future. Every philosopher, book, all our ancient wisdom say being in the present moment is the only way to be happy. Simplest way to train your mind to come to the present moment is to practice mindfulness and meditation. Practice 5-minute mindfulness meditation where you bring the focus back to breath. While doing any task, try to be there with that task completely. Do one thing at a time. 5. Still the mind. According to a study conducted by Stanford University, on an average, we have 60,000 thoughts a day. These thoughts contribute to all the chaos. So it's important to quieten the mind at least for a few seconds or minutes. It doesn't mean you should stop all the thoughts. That's simply not possible. But we can practice detachment from these thoughts and not let them affect us much. Doing this is actually much simpler than we think. Simple activities like breathing a certain way, sitting still with your thoughts, writing down, or even stretching can quieten your mind. These activities that I learned in my yoga training have helped me a lot in going from stressed and burned out to feeling peaceful and happy. I have combined these simple 15-minute activities in a short course, Elevate Your Everyday, to help busy women slow down, find calm on a chaotic day. If you're someone who wants to start your self care journey, prioritize your overall well being by spending just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Check the course out, link is in the description.